Hello everyone, this is George from Sky Warrior Teams. In this tutorial, I will show you one of our demos which will be available as one of demo imports in theme options. This demo is basically a one-page website. So as you can see, once when I click on some item from navigation menu, website scrolls automatically to that section. So how to make this? First thing we need is a new page. So in order to make it, we need to go to backend, click on pages and add new page. We can name it, for example, home, and just publish it. No need to add content for now. We'll do that later. So once that's published, we go to settings, reading, and select a static page. Front page will be home, which we created a couple seconds ago. So now we save changes and go back to pages. You will notice this front page mark, which tells us that this is a new home page. If we go to our home page now, you will see it is empty, doesn't have any content. So now we'll add new content to it. How to do that? We need to edit our page. Before we start talking about page editing, I want to show you what our goal is. So if you remember, clicking on menu item leads us to a certain page position. So these positions are defined by row IDs. The row IDs are basically row is a Visual Composer element, which we talk about later. So once you add its ID, this is his ID. For example, this is one row, this is the other row, and this is another one. So once you add this ID to a row, you can call it using your menu. So if you make a menu and add it as custom link, you see home features, where to buy images, testimonials. That's home features, where to buy images, testimonials. So once you edit it, you will notice this app home. You will notice these features, and if you compare it, that is the same thing. So that's how these positions are being called. So back to page editing. There is another video tutorial about using Visual Composer, so I won't go in depth about making page now. I will talk about only crucial things for making our one-page website. So actually, let's add one more image here. So let's use, for example, now we can use this one. Okay. So we added this image, and we will actually make it larger. So let's use full size. Okay. What is important for us is now that we add some ID to every of these rows. So let's start from top. Let's call it calendar. So it will be calendar row. Let's, for example, skip this one and add this one, coffee. So its row ID is coffee. And let's skip again this one, and for example, let's name this a phone. Okay. So as you can see, they have their IDs. We need to update this page, and this is how our home page looks like now. Okay, so once we click here, nothing happens. That's because we haven't attached these rows to actual menu items. We will do that now. To create a new menu, you will have to go to Backend, Appearance, Menus, and you will be on this page. So here you can see our current menu. That's the one. So we can edit it like this, or we will create a new one for the tutorial purpose. So let's click on create a new menu and name a new menu. Let's call it navigation. Okay, create a new menu. What we need to do first is mark it as header menu, so it will be used in our home page. Next thing, we need to add those navigations to menu itself. So first one was the calendar. We add row ID here, and this is a name of this is a title of menu item which will be shown to you. So add to menu. This is a coffee, and the last one row ID was phone, and title is, for example, phone. You can add whatever you like. So we added content, we made it as header menu. Now once we save our menu and refresh our page, you will see that we have 3 elements in our menu. And once you click on coffee, for example, you will slide to coffee, phone takes you down, and that's it. Thanks for watching. This is the end of our one-page tutorial. I hope you like it. In case you have some questions or you need more help, please visit our support forums. We have a link in the description. See you in the next video.